How to fix Capital One account restricted. First, why is Capital One account restricted? 1. Over credit limit. If you consistently exceed your credit limit with Capital One, they can restrict or block your card until you bring the balance back within the limit. Additionally, they may automatically reduce your maximum credit limit if you frequently surpass it, viewing you as a higher risk. However, they won't cancel the card. The restriction is more like a temporary suspension. 2. Late payments. Capital One may restrict your account if you consistently fail to make contracted credit card payments on time. This non-compliance with the credit agreement leads to administration and late fees being added to your account. If the payment delay persists, they will impose restrictions, preventing you from making future purchases. 3. Fraud. Capital One may restrict your account if they suspect fraudulent activity. In cases of unusual payment attempts, they might automatically block your credit card and cancel the transaction as a precautionary measure. 4. Purchases from a different country. Capital One may restrict your card if international transactions trigger suspicion. Other reasons include making numerous expensive purchases rapidly, significant account changes leading to unusual payments, attempting to manipulate the reward point system, or experiencing restrictions due to administrative errors caused by technical glitches.